Welcome to this overview of the NXP Semiconductors i.MX 9.3 Evaluation Kit, which enables you to create secure, efficient designs based on i.MX 9.3 applications processors. These processors represent the industry's first implementation of the ARM Ethos-U65 microNPU design, enabling them to quickly execute machine learning interfacing algorithms. In addition to the i.MX 9.3, the kit includes ARM Cortex-A55 and ARM Cortex-M33 devices to enable heterogeneous processing, resulting in high-performance, low-power operation. It also incorporates NXP's EdgeLock Secure Enclave subsystem to provide enhanced security. The two-board kit, in the form of a baseboard plus a complete module, also includes the NXP PCA9451A Power Management IC Plus power monitoring circuits to enable fast, efficient power distribution network designs. The kit includes 2 GB of low power, double data rate memory, as well as 16 GB of embedded multimedia card memory. It also features a micro SD slot and quad serial peripheral interface for accommodating external flash memory. For connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and includes USB, Gigabit Ethernet, and CAN connectors, an I3C sensor interface, and a variety of display and camera interfaces. A JTAG connector enables remote debugging. The kit can help you evaluate how to use the i.MX 9.3 processor in a wide variety of smart applications, including a vision system, an industrial gateway, an industrial human-machine interface, an energy meter, an electric vehicle charging station, or an environmental control installation. For more information on the i.MX 9.3 Evaluation Kit and on how NXP Semiconductors works to make our world a safer, smarter, more connected place, visit avnet.com/NXP-Industrial 2023.